Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. I don't post full videos, I give updates. The well-known Rashma Benana, Makazi former dancer, went live on TikTok explaining that Makazi owns him 15,000 rand. Allegedly, he also explained that Makazi sold her eggs so that she doesn't have children, and explained that Mark had slept with multiple men the time he was dating Master KG. Allegedly, they say Rashma Benana is the street kid in the street of Australia. Mark has tried by all means to send him 50,000 to take 30,000 to book a flight to come back to South Africa, and the remaining amount he will take it. Yeah, Makazi, no matter what, unale pilu ye botse. Okay, guys, please find the attached short video about them talking. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. Thank you.
Everyone can see that you are everyone, and that's not everyone. Come back home. When I'm meant to have a wedding, everyone is left. No, if you're a woman, you must know that everyone who sacrifice it. Are you my boyfriend to know that? Sacrifice it. Usikampotika boyfriend cheba lori before na kwa ujwale Master KG wonyo kama mtu kuisha kwa yena. Ma ke mang owe. Usikampocha na kwa ujwale Master KG wonyo kama mtu ke kuisha na. Okay. Uta ngwena. Usikampa weekend nzi mtopi. Yes. Weekend nzi mfanaka. Guys, akukoloti. Sorry. Akukoloti. I've never. No. When I book a flight ticket, no, Pilaba to Ukelebo Louis, like whatever you're going through, and book a flight and ship that you book a flight ticket. Yes, mucho piso. Mucho. Oh, to be like a mountain today. Mucho piso, mucho piso. Ndibuza ralibona shitter tweka wena ndibuza ralibona ikhensithe. Yes.